Welcome to day 12 of Strong in 75. If you have not watched days 1 through 11, please go back and watch them, okay? It's so many different things that you have missed, and I don't want you to miss out because I want you to take action every single day. So every day it was something we have to do to even get to this day. It's 75 days total, so don't think that you're missing out on anything. Just think about all of the points that you want to actually get, okay? So don't think about, oh, I can just watch this. No. Go back and watch days 1 through 11, actually get that stuff done so you can be on day 12. For the people that's actually on day 12, it's all about writing a basic dispute letter. Now, the good thing is about this is that you guys can write a basic dispute letter. Y'all can do that. Y'all can actually go through the process and actually learn how to write a basic dispute letter. But don't forget, you guys got that free course. Okay, so if you guys have not already, please get your 3-book bundle. You guys will be able to have that free course that come along with it that would actually give you a free dispute letter. On top of that, I'm going to make sure I have this pinned down below. I have my credit cleanup blueprint. It has 70 dispute letters in it. So you don't need to learn how to write a basic dispute letter. You ain't gonna have basic letters. This right here actually go over multiple letters. So you got charge-offs, collections, repossessions, bankruptcy, student loans, foreclosures. If you guys have authorized user accounts you need to get deleted, identity theft, duplicate accounts, the list go on and on. You guys can actually add this to your 3-book bundle, and that will be perfect because it's going to actually give you those dispute letters that you actually need. So you can see right here is literally 70 dispute letters inside of here. And let me give you an example. All you have to do is just put in your name, your address, date of birth, social security number, the date, what credit bureau you sending it to, and then you need to just fill in the account name, account number, and then the dispute errors. I taught you all about dispute errors. Is the balance wrong? Is the date of last activity on the account wrong? Is the date open wrong? Is the payment history wrong? That's what you're going to put on the dispute errors, but you have 70 dispute letters inside of this, okay? So make sure you guys get your 3-book bundle and get this one as an add-on. Add this one to your order. I'll make sure that I pin both of them down below, okay? So take full advantage, add both of them to your cart, and actually check out, okay? I'll make sure I have the pin. If for some reason they're sold out, please leave me a comment, and when they come back in stock, I'll definitely let you know, okay? But today is all about writing that basic dispute letter. A lot of people overthink this. I overthought this for years until I realized, like, it literally just needs to be a letter based off of what your situation is. And that's why it was so easy for me to create this for you all, because it's literally about what your situation is and you actually creating that letter. Do not overthink it, okay? So again, make sure you guys get a copy of this. Don't forget you guys still have that 6 months worth of dispute letters that you guys can utilize. So make sure you guys utilize that, and by this time y'all should have y'all dispute letters out. They literally should be out. We should not be talking about doing dispute letters at this point. It's just learning how to write a basic dispute letter. Y'all should really have those things out. Tomorrow we're going to talk about what extra proof that you guys can send in, just in case they say, oh, we can't validate you, we can't verify you, not validate, we can't verify you. Then let me tell y'all what y'all can send in for verification. That's what we're going over tomorrow, okay? But we should not be doing dispute letters at all at this point, okay? Make sure you guys get your books. If you have any questions, definitely let me know, and I'll see you all for day 13.